Thanks for watching my second review of a drone. This one is the Holystone HS110G. I did end up returning the Simrex X900. If you remember from that video, I could see the propellers and I did not like that. So I was able to return it, receive this one. This one comes with a carrying case. The carrying case does seem to be pretty sturdy. It has compartments in it to hold everything needed, or at least that it came with. It's padded pretty good, so it looks like it would be able to be used as a carry-on and still protect the drone and its accessories. It came with 2 batteries, spare landing gear, propellers, guards seem to be sold separately. I plugged it in upside down to show the charging port, and the battery must be inside of it in order to charge it, and so therefore you can only charge one battery at a time. The camera is fixed. It seems as though it can be detached. I don't know why you would take the camera off of it though. I don't think it's interchangeable cameras for it. And this drone is pretty easy to set up since everything comes already assembled, and just had to download the app for it, and then you're ready to fly. It is some calibrations that has to be done before you take off, which doesn't take very long to do. The conditions today, it's about 8-mile-per-hour wind, so it's not too strong of a wind. You can see the propellers in the top of the screen, so unfortunately with this drone you can still see the propellers. I contacted technical support about this drone, and they did tell me they do have a drone where you don't see the propellers in it, so I'll probably be getting that one next, and I'll probably post an update. It took tech support less than a day to respond to me by email, so I did appreciate that part. This drone, it is easy to fly. The remote has indicator lights on it, so you know the status of it. And when there is no wind, the flight is pretty steady. And when there is wind, you can tell that it's blowing the drone because the camera does shift around. But also when I'm turning or anything like that, you will see that the camera shifts, and that's because of its no gimbal. So that's a bit expected. Due to the type of drone it is, don't expect it to hold up in strong winds, so only mild and light conditions I expect it to be able to fly in. And right now, like I said earlier, it's about 8 miles per hour wind, so you can see that the drone is shifting due to the wind. This drone was a little over $100, but that's also for the 2 batteries and the case that I showed you had earlier on, so you do get a good bit. So I think this drone by itself maybe under $100. So it's still within the category of what I'm looking for. And with the next one, I'll see if that actually hits the mark. And thank you all for watching, and look out for the next video.